morning. Now, when we make ratio tables, let me make you one. Remember when we do these ratio tables in this direction? Let's say I have cola and sugar, and then I'd put all my information in here. Like example, 40, oopsie, I did it backwards. 40, no I didn't. Gosh, 40 grams of sugar are in 12 ounces of cola. Well, there's another way to do this. It's just a different visual, and it might help some of you. It's called a double line diagram because, well, it's got two lines. Cola was on top. Sugar was here. Or you could have had cola, sugar, and had just your regular T-chart. Okay, but all that information we can transfer to here. So we said 40 grams of sugar corresponded with 12 ounces of cola. So as long as these lines are opposite of each other, then we know they go together. Okay, so question, 6 ounces of cola. How much sugar would that be? Well, let's see. To get from 12 to 6, I divide by 2, so 40. Also divide by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 6, 20. Okay, well, let's use this to figure out another one. What if I had 80 grams of sugar in my soda? What would be the size of soda I had? Well, let's go from the 20. How do you get from 20 to 80? Times by 4. So corresponding number with the 20, the 6. What am I going to have to do to the 6? Times by 4, that's right. You got to do the same thing. What you do to one side of your ratio, you have to do the other side of your ratio. Same as one side of your fraction, got to do the same thing to the other side. So 6 times 4, 24. So in a 24-ounce soda, you'd have 80 grams of sugar. So let me ask you a question. What if the school was only allowed to serve you drinks that had 25 grams of sugar? What would be the corresponding size soda they could give you? Oh man, I don't know what to multiply 20 by to get 25 or divide. Correct, but we can do this in 2 steps. 20 and 25 have 5 as a factor, right? 5 goes into 20 and 5 goes into 25. So let's do this in 2 steps. How do you get from 20, something you know, to where you need to go? 20, oh, that's right, divide 4. And then from the 5, then I can get to where I need to be. 5 times 5. Okay, so we've got to do the same thing here. Let's see, the 20 corresponds with the 6. So to get the 6 to here, I need to divide by 4. Oh gosh, Misty. 6 divided by 4. Yeah, watch this. 6 divided by 4. Trust me, just keep it like that. It's going to be easier. Here's why. We're going to be manipulating this, and if we change it over to a mixed number and then we have to do something else to it, we have to put it back from a mixed number into an improper fraction, just keep it an improper fraction. Okay, and then I got to take 6/4 and then times 5. Okay, and then to get to the number I want, I have to times by 5. Oh man, well, can we go over here and do it? 6/4 times 5. Remember, any whole number can be written as a fraction if you put it over 1. 6 times 5 is 30 over 4. 4 goes into 30 7 times, 2 left over, and 2/4 is 1/2. 7 1/2. That means the cafeteria could serve you a 7.5 ounce cola and still be following their rules. That's good. Let's do another one because this is a little complicated. I get it. Let's say, ooh, this is a good name. Chantel solves 3 math problems in 4 minutes. Ooh, let's put questions. Minutes. 3 questions, 4 minutes. All right, let's try out this new double line diagram, see what we can do. Questions, minutes. Okay, let's see. 3 minutes, 3 questions, 4 minutes, 3 questions, 4 minutes. Those numbers have to be opposite each other because they're the ratio, and the ratios are always opposite each other, okay? Much like, boop, these are opposite each other there and here, okay? Same idea. Question. What if she had to answer 30 questions? How long would it take? Okay, easy. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. Right? Well, what if she had to do 15? 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 15 questions take her 20 minutes. Okay. What if she had to do... Well, let's leave it at that. Let's see what we can come up with. So, Chantel has soccer practice. She has 1/2 an hour before practice to work on her math homework and talk with her friends. Half an hour, oh, that's 30 minutes. Okay, so in 30 minutes, she's got to do her homework plus talk. Okay. What else? She has 20 math skill work questions for homework. So she's got 20 questions. And she wants to get these done before practice. Why? Why not wait? Because if she gets them done before practice, when practice is over on her way home, they're going to stop for ice cream. And who doesn't love a little extra ice cream, right? So she wants to get them done before she's talking. So she's going to get isolated, get to work. Let's see. 20 questions might fit here. 20 questions. We need to figure out how much time. Well, more than 20 minutes, less than 40 minutes. She's in her half an hour window. Let's see. 15 doesn't go into 20. 3 doesn't go into 20. And 30 doesn't go into 20. What are we going to do? 2 steps. Remember? 2 steps. Okay. 10. What if I had a 10 here? Could I get from 20 to 10? No. What could I get from 30 to 10 and back to 20? Because remember, this is where we got to go. We got to end here. We got to end there because we don't know this. And that's the goal, is to know that. But I could get from 30 to 10 because look, I know this one. So I could go this way and then to the 20. Okay, let's see. How do you get from 30 to 10? It's smaller. Oh, divide 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10, and 10 times 2 is 20. Well, I can do those kinds of things. Okay, here we go. 40 divided by 3. 40? That's not divisible by 3. Yeah. So we'll just write that. 40 divided by 3 is a fraction. If you write your division problem as a fraction, now it's a number, and we can just treat it as a number. Pretty cool. Now we got a times 2. Oh, gosh. 40 times 2. Let's go over here. 40 over 3 times 2 over 1. Well, 3 times 1. That was the easy part. 40 times 2. 80. 80 divided by 3. Let's do it this way. We can go old school. We're cool like that. 3 goes into 8 twice, which is 6. Subtract 2. Bring down your 0. If I'm going too fast, pause me, rewind. 3 goes into 20 6 times, which is 18. Subtract 2. 26 and 2/3. It's going to take her 26 and 2/3 minutes. 26 and 2/3 minutes? That's 26 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, 40 seconds. Now, question, how much time is she going to get to talk to her friends? How much time? Well, she has 30 to start with. And we need to take away 26 and 2/3. Oh, man, I got no thirds to take anything away. It's okay, we borrow. 29 and 3/3. Because I took away a 1 from the 30 and made it a 29. And with that 1, I renamed it into thirds. I know what thirds are. Okay, if I have 3 of them and I take 2 away, now I have 1. 29 minus 2 is 3. That equals 3 minutes 20 seconds of talking time. All right? Advice. Be sure you read the question. Understand the question that's asking you so you don't do a bunch of work and then have no idea what you just did that for. Okay? Read the question. Have a purpose. Good luck.